a directions video on how to do the memo worksheet. This worksheet is on block memo formatting, and the actual worksheet is an example of what it should look like at the end, and it's also your worksheet to work off of. The directions for writing a memo are the body of this memo. So first thing we want to do is type in the word memo on the top, and you notice that it's in bold and it's centered. Okay. Next thing you're going to type in 2:, because the correct punctuation on a memo is a colon. That's the 2 dots. So after the 2, we're going to do the colon, and then we're going to type in student, or you're going to type in your name because I'm going to write the memo to you. The memo is from me. Okay, it's a practice memo. That's the name of the memo, and you should put today's date on here. So after the word to, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to turn on the show hide so you can see how the formatting is on here. Notice that after the memo, I hit enter 4 times. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I typed in 2 and I tabbed over. These arrows designate a tab. I tabbed over twice to type in the word student, and in this case it would be the student's name. Then I entered twice, 1, 2, typed in from, tabbed twice, 1, 2, typed in Mrs. Ryan because I'm writing you the memo. Then I entered twice again, typed in the word subject with a colon. Subject is a longer word, so I only needed 1 tab to line it up with the others and type in practice memo. And then type date, colon. Once again, we need to tab twice to get it over to line up with the others and put in today's date. And you would put in the actual date. The rest of it is every one of these groups of words is a paragraph. So there's a double space after each one. So I would finish this paragraph and then enter again. And here enter and enter again, and so on down to complete my memo. And this is how you would complete that memo worksheet.